We have already come across many candlestick patterns where I have mentioned how to trade candlestick patterns and how to spot reversals or how to spot the indication that is going on in the market. But in this lesson, I will try to cover how not to trade candlestick patterns because this is also very important. So let's jump in. The first point is we should not trade in isolation. That means after seeing a candlestick pattern like a bullish engulfing pattern or a hammer, so which signifies a trend reversal basically. But after seeing a candlestick pattern, we should not jump into trading or we should not execute the trade right away. We should wait for the confirmation. There are several factors I'll also discuss, but we should not execute the trade right away after seeing the pattern. And secondly, it's not a trading strategy. These are these candlesticks patterns or the patterns mainly tells us about the psychology of the market or the psychology of the buyers and sellers, the tug of war that is going on in the market. It's not a trading strategy. Trading strategy is something different that I'll be covering in the later classes. Okay, I'll cover from basic to the advanced level so that you can trade on your own. But remember one thing, after seeing a candlestick pattern, you should not jump into the trade right away. You should wait for the confirmation that I'll be discussing later. So what are the conditions that we should consider or I'll be discussing later that we must consider before placing the order? The entry should be proper and exit should be proper. Entry and exit is the most vital part. These are the main components of a strategy. Okay, so when I'll be sharing few strategies, I'll also discuss why it is important and how you should trade. I'll be telling you step by step. Okay, that you should not worry. And secondly, apart from entry and exit, the most important thing that we must consider is trade management or and stop loss. No trader can be successful without proper trade management or risk management. So trade management is very important. I'll be discussing trade management and risk management in a separate lesson. So because they are very vital for the success of a trader, and stop loss is also very important. Hopefully you'll have understood that we should not trade candlestick patterns in isolation. We should wait for the confirmation. So this is how not to trade candlestick patterns. Thank you so much. See you in next lesson.